Hey y'all, it's Schaelove here, and I'm back with another video. Thank you for tuning in. If this is your first time, welcome. I wanted to do everybody's been doing those I followed such and such's makeup look or tutorial or whatever. So I decided to do a hair version of that. I recently watched Cool Calm and Curly's video on her flat twist, and I was like, I could do that. That's really easy. So I was like, you know what? Why not I film it? So I decided to film it. And that's what you guys are going to see today. I'm not going to really do like a side-by-side because her technique is really, really simple. And I'll make sure to link the video down below. You, of course, can watch it here. And obviously, this is the final look. However, I just wanted to preface and let you guys know that in the video, you're going to see that the twist, before I take them out, look different from in the middle of the video towards the end of the video. That is because I lost all of the footage of me taking my twist out. I don't know how I did it. I deleted everything off my camera before I even put it on my computer. So I had to redo my whole entire head so that I could film me taking it down. So if you're wondering like, that doesn't look the same, or there's more twist or there's less twist, that's why. So I've actually done this technique twice and I have liked the results both times. So if you want to see how everything went, then just keep watching. I have already washed and deep conditioned my hair, so I'm going to get started by parting my hair from ear to ear so I can start the two-strand twist in the back half of my hair. Using about a nickel size amount of the Texture ID styling cream, I'm detangling the section and twisting it in just a two-strand twist. Be sure to finger coil the end to remove any excess product and to make sure your ends are secure and curled. And now I'm just going to continue these same steps through the back half of my head. So basically from the ears down, it's going to be all two-strand twists. Now for the front portion of my hair, I'm going to do flat twist across. Being sure to twist down towards my face so that when I take them out, my hair will fall in the direction that I want it to go in. I usually like to wear a side part, so being able to twist in this direction and have everything moving forward makes it easy for me to pick which side my part is going to be on, which is usually on my right side. Once I'm done flat twisting the front half of my hair, I'm going to secure each twist in place with bobby pins so that all the hair can stay in the twist and my twist can stay in the direction that I want them to go. Again, I'm bringing everything forward so that way my hair falls to the left once I take everything down. Once it's time to take my twist down, I like to rub my hands with an oil. Here I'm using the Bronner Brothers Jamaican Black Castor Oil with rosemary, and this just gives my hair the added shine it needs and also prevents frizz as I'm pulling the twist apart and separating and fluffing. And as I'm separating each twist, I like to twist the twist around my finger in the opposite direction I did when I was tightening the twist. So I'm loosening the twist. So that way it kind of just separates on its own and I'm not pulling the hair and giving myself more frizz. Here, I'm just making sure that I have all the twists separated in my head, front and back, before I go in and start laying these edges down. I'm using my Blueberry Bliss edge control from Curls, and that actually is a manicure brush, but I find that it works the best to lay them edges down. First, we're going to go in and do some last minute picking and fluffing. Overall, I really enjoyed this look. I do like Cool, Calm, and Curly's technique. I am going to find a couple of other variations now that I have seen what two-strand twists look like on my hair along with flat twist. Maybe I'll do flat twist all over. If you guys want to see that video, let me know. Other than that, I'm very impressed with this look. Thank you, Cool, Calm, and Curly, for your advice. That is going to conclude this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay beautiful, stay true, stay you, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.